The Dewalt 21-inch 60-volt max single-stage snowblower is revolutionizing snow removal, marrying cordless technology with potent capability. Powered by dual FleVolt DCB 612 12.0 AH batteries, this blower clears a 21-inch path and launches snow up to 40 feet away. Users will appreciate the intuitive LED dashboard for battery monitoring and the two-way electric chute controls for precision. Additionally, unique single-touch paddles and dual modes, max power and eco, enhance user control. Designed with foldable handles and dual LED headlights, it's storage-friendly and perfect for nighttime tasks. Remarkably, it's 80% quieter and 25% lighter than gas alternatives. Priced at $699, its reliability is underscored by a comprehensive 3-year warranty, added services, and a satisfaction guarantee. The Festool RSC-18 cordless reciprocating saw is a standout in the world of cutting tools, perfectly designed for demolition, construction, and remodeling projects. Harnessing the power of a brushless EC-Tech motor, it boasts a stellar 1.5 joules of impact energy, setting it apart in the cordless category. The user experience is enhanced with its 2-speed gearbox, variable speed trigger, and an anti-vibration handle, all ensuring precision and comfort. Additional features like the soft start function and a dust extraction port heighten its utility. Storing and transporting is a breeze with compatibility to Festool's Sustainer storage system. Beyond its robust features, the saw's quality is fortified with a 3-year warranty, assuring long-lasting performance. The Southwire 9" cable cutter dip grip is an indispensable tool tailored for professionals in the cable industry. Constructed from premium American forged steel, its durability is unmatched. The induction-hardened blades can seamlessly cut 40 AWG aluminum, 20 AWG copper, and 100 pair 24 AWG stranded cables. Its impressive 9-inch length ensures optimal leverage, while the ergonomic dip grip offers comfort during extended use. For electricians and construction experts dealing with large cables, it's a game-changer. To use, ensure cables are electricity-free, position them centrally between the blades, and squeeze the handles for a neat cut. Always prioritize safety when in operation. The Ryobi 40-volt HP 2000 PSI pressure washer stands out as an efficient cordless solution for rigorous cleaning tasks. Powered by dual 40V batteries, it boasts an impressive 2000 PSI and a consistent flow rate of 1.2 GPM. What makes it even more user-friendly is its versatile 3-in-1 nozzle, offering choices of a jet, fan, or soap spray, tailored for various cleaning needs. Ideal for homeowners, it effortlessly handles cleaning cars, patios, and numerous outdoor surfaces. Besides its powerful performance, users will appreciate its silent operation, devoid of emissions. Its compact and portable design ensures easy mobility. Moreover, Ryobi's commitment to quality is reflected in a reassuring 5-year limited warranty. The Ryobi USB Lithium Desktop Vacuum Kit emerges as a convenient solution for swift tidying tasks. With its compact, lightweight frame, this cordless vacuum is apt for swift cleanups on desks, countertops, and similar surfaces. Its power source is notably a USB rechargeable battery, ensuring consistent performance. The kit thoughtfully includes a crevice tool, targeting those pesky, hard-to-reach spots. A transparent dust cup enhances user experience, allowing for quick assessments of accumulation and timely cleanouts. Beyond its functional prowess, the vacuum is a cinch to maintain and empty. For those seeking a nifty, hassle-free tool for minor cleanups or a user-friendly cordless vacuum, Ryobi's offering is a top contender. The Ryobi USB Lithium LED Inspection Light stands out as a versatile illumination tool tailored for the intricacies of dark corners and confined spaces. Compact in design, this handheld gadget boasts a robust 550 lumens of light output. It scores high on flexibility, featuring a 360-degree pivoting head that effortlessly channels light wherever it's demanded. Enhancing its utility, the magnetic base offers the luxury of hands-free operation, a boon during detailed tasks. Drawing power from a USB rechargeable battery, it ensures consistent performance while reducing frequent battery replacements. Its resilience is underscored by an IP54 rating, signifying notable resistance to both water and dust. Klein Tools presents the impact-rated multi-bit screwdriver nut driver, an 11-in-1 dynamic tool designed to streamline a variety of tasks from fastening screws to managing nuts and bolts. Tailored to withstand the rigors of power tools, its impact-rated design makes it a compatible ally for impact drivers. The set boasts a repertoire of 11 diverse interchangeable bits, encompassing Phillips, slotted, square, and even Torx configurations. Augmenting its functionality, the embedded magnetic bit holder ensures a secure grip on these bits, making your task seamless. Built with a commitment to endurance, its construction speaks of durability, a promise further cemented with a lifetime warranty. The Ego Power Plus 100-watt solar panel, a state-of-the-art monocrystalline solar panel tailor-made for the wanderlust-infused and eco-conscious individual. Designed for utmost portability, this panel effortlessly folds up, ensuring hassle-free storage and transport. Complemented with dual kickstands, you can effortlessly angle it for maximum sunlight absorption. With a robust output of 100 watts, it serves as an efficient power source. Whether you're juicing up Ego Power plus batteries, lighting up your campsite, or running essential appliances, engineered to endure, it braves varied weather conditions, be it rain, snow, or dust. Highlighting its features, it guarantees 100 watts of power output, boasts a foldable design, offers optimal sun exposure with 2 kickstands, and showcases a weatherproof build. Introducing the Milwaukee Faucet Swap-Out Wrench, an indispensable tool for homeowners and professional plumbers. This unique wrench boasts a slim handle for those tricky spots behind faucets and interchangeable inserts for various mounting nuts. Designed for versatility, it's ratchet and screwdriver compatible, with ball detents ensuring secure insert retention. Enhanced leverage is provided by its wrench bolster for those tight fixtures. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty and priced around $50, it sets a new standard in plumbing solutions. The Milwaukee SDS Plus Sledge Self-Sharpening Chisels redefine durability and efficiency in chiseling tasks. Featuring a self-sharpening tip, they remain sharp 3 times longer than conventional chisels. Their extended working length optimizes material removal, while reinforced edges ensure maximum longevity. Designed to minimize wear, these chisels come in diverse sizes and styles to suit varied needs. Ideal for both professionals seeking a robust tool and homeowners wanting long-lasting quality, these chisels are priced between $20 and $50 based on size and style. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.